Hi kids, so for today we're going to read a story and the title is 10 Pets. And for this story, there will be a lot of short words with short E. So when we say short E, it has the sound of eh, eh, eh. Now we're going to start reading. Can you count 10 pets? One pet likes to rest. This pet is very wet. This pet is in a tent. A doll is a toy for this pet. This pet is a gift for Ben. This pet has made a nest. I think this pet has met a cow. This pet likes to get a hug. This last pet I like the best. And that's it for our story for today. Now we're going to go back to the words that we read earlier. Bell, bell. Ben, Ben. Best, best. Get, get. Net, net. Nest, nest. Pet, pet. Pets, pets. Rest, rest. Tent, tent. Tent, tent. Wet, wet. Now it's your turn. I also want you to read the words. And there you have it. Very good. If you want to listen to the story again, you just need to go back to the start of this video. Bye.